Hello, animators. Welcome back.
Have you ever wanted to animate an epic cake like this?
Yes!
But every time you try, it looks a little stiff.
No!
Don't worry, we all have been there. Today, I'm going to show you the secret to making your cake animation feel powerful, dynamic, and realistic, all using just your phone and Flipaclip. And if you're new here, I post weekly tutorial every week. So subscribe so you don't miss out on our weekly tutorial. Alright, let's get down into it. We are going to break down the kick into three simple parts: the wind up, the impact, and the recovery. So once you understand these three phases, you'll be able to animate any kick you can imagine. Alright, let's get down to the Flipaclip app. Right on Flipaclip, guys, so what we're going to do right now is to create a project. Click on the plus sign and create a project. Next, we're going to name this project Kick Animation, and after this we choose our canvas size to be YouTube 1080p. And next up, we look into the FPS, which is frame per second. What does this mean? This actually means the more the frame per second, the more drawing you get, and the slower your project will be, and the lesser the FPS, the lesser the drawing you're gonna get, and faster your project is going to be. So we leave it at 12 FPS, which is good for our project. And next up, we click on the word create project. All right, we have our project created, and for this project we are going to be going with a basic stick figure with our project to make this easy and simple for us. First thing first, always work with your layers. Layers are very important. It make your animation smooth and it make things easy for you. So we're gonna set up two layers here, one for our character and another one for our key poses. All right, the first step is the wind up pose. So a powerful kick doesn't happen out of nowhere, right? So it needs to build anticipation, it needs to build momentum, it needs to build energy before the kick will happen. So think about a baseball players. So before they throw the ball, they pull back, they lean back to build force, to build energy before throwing the ball. So we are going to animate our character shifting their weight back. So we're going to draw the initial pose, which is wind up, with the character leaning back, one leg bent, and the arm moving for balance. So let's get down into that. Now guys, notice how the whole body is involved. It's not just about the leg alone. We are using the body to gather power, to gather energy for the kick, and create a few frames showing this motion how the body lean backward using just your onion skin to keep it smooth. So after you're done with the wind up, next up is the impact, and this is the most important part of the kick animation. So this is where all the energy be stored by the wind up pose that we've done earlier on. This is where the energy is released. So on your keyframe, so we're gonna extend that leg all the way out. We're gonna stretch it all out. So we make sure the upper body lean backward to really sell that power. So we're gonna bend the body with our lasso tool, bend it backward and stretch all the leg out to set the power of that kick. So let's get down into it right away. So the impact pose is done. So for extra impact, here is the pro tip. So you're going to add emotion lines. So a quick thick line where the kick is happening, and maybe a little cloud of dust from the ground can make it all different. So we're going to do that. We're going to add emotion lines, and we're going to add a smooth cloud of dust to give us that special effect in your animation. So then you see how much more powerful the kick is going to look. So let's get down into that. So guys, have we done with our impact pose? The final pose is the recovery. So after that powerful kick, our character needs to reset, it needs to regain his balance. So we are going to animate the leg coming back down and the body returning back to its original neutral pose. So don't make it just a sudden stop after that kick, then just stop like that. No. So we're gonna use few frames, few in betweens to ease the coming back of the leg into position. So all we need to do is to enable our onion skin and just give it a few drawings to make the kick back into recovery position. So let's get down into that real quick. So now, as for the timing aspect, all you need to do is just to duplicate the frame for the wind up. You can duplicate it to like 3 to 4 frames, and as for the recovery frame, you can duplicate that as well to 3 to 4 frames. But as for the kick frame, leave it at that one because it's going to be a fast kick, then back to recovery. So that's what we're gonna do for the timing. So let's duplicate the wind up frames and the recovery frames right now. Now we're done, guys. Next up is to save and export our project. Click on the three dots and click on make movie. And there you have it. By focusing on the wind up, impact and recovery, you can transform a boring kick into an epic one. Now is your turn to practice. What kind of animation do you want to learn next? Let me know in the comment section. And if you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more animation tutorial. See you in the next one.
This is HB Toonz Academy, your mobile animation channel. Learn, create, and enjoy.